Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an unboxing and I also got a little something from Silpata. I'm not sure if you guys remember, I've talked about this jewelry company before and I haven't ordered in quite some time, but I got something that I'm really excited about. So these two items came in the mail today and I'm super excited to share it with you. So stick around and see what I got. Okay, before we get into the unboxing, let me show you my bag. I said it was my bag of the weekend, but you guys, it turned into being my bag of the week. And it is my Saggy Balls bag. It's my Rebecca Minkoff backpack, aka Saggy Balls. And you know what? I'm loving this little backpack. Even my mom was like, that is such a cute little bag. I mean, I told you guys when I showed it to you that it did look expensive. It does have an expensive look to it, but it is quite saggy. But I am really liking it. I might get a base to go in it. I'm not sure. I may even have something around here I could, you know, try. So there is an idea. I think one of my subscribers gave me that idea, but I really like it. It's just a fun bag. And I was shopping today and I put my phone in here. It has all these little pockets and I thought that I was going to change out of it for this week, but I've enjoyed it so much I just kept carrying it. So this is this is my bag of the week, and I'll probably just go ahead and carry it the rest of the week, and I'm really enjoying this little Saggy Balls bag. So I really am enjoying this bag. I absolutely love the color, and it is a great little backpack. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, I actually am loving little Saggy Balls. All right. All right, I have a little explaining to do. Y'all see this bracelet? This bracelet, eBay. Yes, eBay. Stainless steel. If you guys are interested in this, just let me know and I will let you know who the seller is. But this is a test run, you guys. I really, really want a Cartier Juste Clou, and this is a test run. I really like it. So, and I paired it with my David Yurman cuff today. I think it's really pretty. I love the gold and silver together. But yeah, I just got this in the mail too, but I didn't unbox it or unbag it because Keith tore into it. It had his name on it. I think it's actually his eBay account. So this is stainless steel, and so far so good. I'm really, really liking it. I've had it on all afternoon. Really pretty. So anyway, I didn't want you guys to think I went and got a Cartier bracelet, you know, without consulting you. All right. We're going to do story time again this week because, you know, that bird poo story, I mean, that was very traumatic, you guys. And, you know, I keep trying to think, how can I top Winnie? Because she's got some really good stories. Okay. So, you know, I like to title my stories. So the title of this story is The Day I Snorted Oxidol. The day I snorted Oxidol. Okay, it was a beautiful, bright summer day, and my children were really young and I was really young, and they were just playing out in the yard. And at the time we lived in a rented house. It had a really long kitchen and it had the utility room. It was all open to the kitchen. I just remember the day so well. The windows were open, there was a breeze coming through, the curtains were flowing. It was a beautiful day, and I was gonna do laundry. So I remember that I got a new kind of detergent that I had never used before, Oxidol. And I think it said fresh scent Oxidol on it. And I was like, ooh, fresh scent Oxidol. When I opened up the box, you know, I could smell it and it smelled really good. And usually I don't like smells like that, like detergents or anything like that, but it smelled very fresh. hence the name, Fresh Scents Oxidol. So I started putting my clothes in the washing machine and I could smell the fresh scent Oxidol. It smelled so good. And you know those little scoopers? Well, I scooped into the box and I was gonna, you know, pour it out in the washing machine. So I scooped into the box and I went, and when I did, I snorted Oxidol. Oh my gosh. It was awful. It just went up my nose, up into my brain, my eyes, down the back of my throat. You guys, instantly, I was in so much pain. My eyes started watering. It started coming out of my throat. Like, I didn't just smell it. Like, I literally, or sniff it, I literally snorted Oxidol. It was one of the most painful experiences I've ever had in my life, and I'm not kidding. It was horrible, horrible. And I went over to the sink. I couldn't swallow because I was gagging, and Oxidol was all in my mouth and going down my trachea. I was a hot mess for a really long time. I have not thought of that. I have not even thought about that in so long. And the other day I was sitting there like, I need another story. I need another good story. Nothing's gonna top the bird poo story, but you guys, honestly, you know how I told you the bird poo story, how I had this huge reaction? Well, this reaction was just completely automatic. It's like, ah! I mean, I swear, you guys, I swear. I mean, I could never have been like a drug addict or anything. But that's the only time, the one and only time I ever snorted a powdery substance. And it was Oxidol. And you guys, I don't recommend it. I do not recommend snorting Oxidol, okay? So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Oh, and it wasn't just, I swear, I can't really remember, but I really think I snorted probably the entire scoop and lived to tell about it. So there you go. I've licked bird poo and I've snorted fresh scent Oxidol. Don't try it. Do not try it, people. Okay, so this is something from a jewelry company that I really, really love, and it's called Silpata, and I have shared pieces with you in the past, although I should probably get out all of my Silpata pieces and show you my collection. If you'd like to see it, just let me know, and they do have a website online, and I will link it below. I haven't bought anything in a while, and when I saw this, I thought, I've got to have it. I've got to have it. So I ordered it last week and it came in today. I'm super excited about it. Here's the receipt. Reach down in here. Here's the box. It says Silpata. So all of these pieces are 0.925 sterling silver and gemstones. It's all real stuff. So it's not costume jewelry, it's all real stuff. They use real cultured pearls, and I have quite a few pieces from Silpata. I always buy Silpata for my mother-in-law for Christmas. You open up the box and here's the little dust bag, a little purple dust bag that says Silpata on it. And what I love about it, it's fabulous quality and really good prices. They are called the paint-along earrings. So when I saw them, I'm like, I have to have these. All right, and always they have this little black piece of, I don't know what it is, but it's in there to keep your sterling silver from tarnishing. These earrings are little, they're supposed to be like little palettes. They have the French hook here, and these are all little gemstones. And it's supposed to be like paint splotches, like a painter's palette and paint splotches. So on the website, it tells what all of the gemstones are. These are just so, so cute, and they're on sale. And I was like, and they're quite substantial, but they're not heavy, but they do have a substantial feel. All of their jewelry feels really expensive. There you go. So I've been buying Silpata on and off for quite a few years. They are on sale right now, so. But here they are. Beautiful set of earrings. Sterling silver with gemstones. Little palettes, painter's palettes. All right. Now let's get into the unboxing. Unboxing. I am so glad that I didn't promise a low buy year this year. I'm so glad. Here it is. Super excited. And when you see it, I hope I'm not disappointed because this is a true unboxing. How do I get into this box? Oh, okay. Okay, so I've got some scissors. All right, so there's another bag that this reminded me of. Christmas is coming up and I'm not feeling spending the kind of money. Actually, the bag that this reminds me of is an Hermes bag. And one of my friends and subscribers just got the Hermes bag and I was so jealous. Not really. So I was so happy for you, Alex. Oh. You guys, I cannot get this. I thought I turned off the camera. I cannot get it open. Oh. I can't get it open. Okay, finally. Finally. This is ridiculous. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, let's just start over. So, this item is from Coach. Let me open the box for you. There we go. There we go. We have a Coach receipt. This is from Coach, not Coach Outlet, okay? Yeah. Okay. So, here we are. Let me throw away this box. All right, here it is in the dust bag. Here it is in the dust bag. Beautiful dust bag. Receipt. And, you know, honestly, I think that Louis Vuitton especially, they need to maybe take some lessons or something, some luxury lessons from Coach, seriously. Because Coach is very luxurious, you guys. All right. Wait till you see what I got. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Does this not look like the Hermes Evelyn? I mean, all I need to do is take a magic marker or actually some kind of a hole puncher and punch an H right here. Just take a hole puncher. Oh, I love it. Look at this. Look at this beautiful pebbled leather. This big pocket. Oh my goodness. This zippered pocket on the back. It's even better than I was expecting. Oh my Lord. The inside of it is kind of an oxblood color, and it's like suede, and it's got a big pocket in there. Oh my goodness, it's this is it smells so good. Look at the straps. Oh, look at it. It's adjustable on both sides. I love it. I love it. Okay, so it was $3.95. So it was on sale, and I'll look and see what I paid for it in a minute. But look at it, you guys. Is this not exactly just about like the Hermes Evelyn? The only thing I need to do, I need to get a hole puncher, and I just need to like punch an H. That's what I need to do. Oh my gosh. And listen, I know this bag, it comes in like 4 other colors. Black, this color, maybe oxblood, and navy, I think. They're all really beautiful fall colors, you guys. My friend, like I said, my friend Alex, hi Alex, look what I got. She got the Evelyn, and it's absolutely fabulous, but I'm just not, you know, wanting to spend that kind of money right now. I love it. I love it. There goes the receipt again. All right, so, you know, I don't know why people get so bent out of shape over, I really don't. I don't, because, I mean, it's by Coach. Let me tell you what the name of this bag is. So the Hermes Evelyn, it's just like the Hermes Evelyn, and this is called the Emery. This is the Emery. So, I paid, tax and all, $237 for this bag. For the Coach Emery. And it has, ooh, it has the horse and carriage. Look at that. It doesn't have that little cheap one that I usually would take off. It's got the horse and carriage little tag. Everything about this bag is class. You know what? I'm totally getting another one. I am. I could get all 4 colors for less than one Hermes. I'm getting them mixed up. Evelyn. This is the Emery. You guys, I am blown away. I really am. Love it. Get you one. I swear I'm gonna get another one. Look, I kind of see what it is. I am wanting to really just fill voids in my handbag collection. And sometimes you just want a casual bag like this. I can wear it crossbody. I can wear it over my shoulder. So, do you guys want to see what fits inside and mod shots on my next video? If you do, let me know. You guys, I am blown away. I really am. I knew, like when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get that. And so, I don't know. I think I'm going to have another color because it is on sale. It is marked down quite a bit on the website. So I will link it below for you guys. You definitely, this would be a great Christmas present for someone. Inexpensive yet luxurious. This is luxury. This is luxury. I'm going through a thing right now, okay? So I'm so over all these luxury bags, except YSL. I love YSL. But I'm really over Louis Vuitton. Other than just a couple of little small pieces, honestly, my love affair with Louis Vuitton is over. It really is. I mean, this bag is magnificent. I'm loving Coach, you guys. All right, so that's all I have for you guys this week. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love, please, you guys, help me. If you're watching me and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love more than anything to hit 4,000 subscribers by Christmas. That would be awesome. So if you guys could help me out on that, I would love you oh so much. And when I hit 4,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away another painting. So that's thrilling, right? I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.